Hey Stitching Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Juliette Garter belt. In this tutorial I will show you how to assemble the garter belt step by step, how to attach the adjustable garter straps and how to finish the waistline. We are going to make the style 1 finished with fold over elastic, and if you like to see the second version finished with decorative elastic, I'll be sharing this version on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there as well. This pattern is made of 4 pieces: center front, then we have the side front, side back and center back. You cut every piece twice mirrored, so in total you will have 8 pattern pieces. For the Juliette Garter belt you will need a lace. I really recommend stretch 1. It's 1 meter for regular sizes, 1.2 meters for plus sizes and 1.4 meters for extended plus sizes. And then 1 meter of strap elastic, 1 meter of fold over elastic or decorative elastic depending on the style you are making. I'm making the style 1 now, so I'm using the faux. 1 classic bra closure and 4 sliders plus 4 garter clips. We can start with cutting the straps. You need 4 pieces and you can find the length in the pattern info. So cut your straps. And now we can thread the strap through the slider and then the garter clip and back through the slider. It's exactly the same as with the bra straps. And thread all 4 of them. Our straps are ready. Now we can cut the lace pieces. Take 1 pattern piece. I have the center front and place it along the decorative edge of the lace. And cut 1. Then take this piece and place it right side facing the right side of the second edge of your lace and cut second mirrored piece. This way you will get the beautifully symmetrical pieces. And do this with all 4 pattern pieces. So now we have all pieces we need to make the Juliette Garter belt. 2 side fronts, 2 center fronts, 2 center backs and 2 side backs. At this point I usually pin and sew all pieces together in one step, but I know it can be a little tricky, especially for beginners. So we will use pins and the basting threads and we will baste all pieces together and then we will sew it. Okay, so take the center front pieces and place them right sides together and pin and baste the shorter side. Now we can spread or open these 2 pieces. This is the center front of our Juliette Garter belt. Now take the side front pieces and place them right side facing the right side of the center front pieces. And pin and baste the longer side. Now turn all pieces to the right side again. Take your side back pieces and place them right side facing the right side of the side front pieces. And now we will pin and baste the shorter side. Turn all pieces to the right side again. Take the center back pieces and place them right side facing the right side of the side back pieces. And pin and baste these pieces together. So this is the Juliette Garter belt body. Now we can sew all pieces together using serger or zigzag stitch. Then remove the basting stitches and lock or backstitch all seams with straight stitch. Now we can also top stitch the shorter sides and stitch the seam allowance to the one side. These long pointed ends here are called garter tops, and this is where we will attach the garter straps. So the thing I am going to do now is to top stitch and stitch the seam allowance to the one side with long straight stitch. You could also use a basting thread, but this is totally quickly and easy, so let's do that. So now it's time to attach the garter straps with the garter belt. Place the strap wrong side facing the right side of the garter tab and pin or baste it in place and stitch them down securely. You can use straight or small zigzag stitch. Some people use 3-step zigzag stitch, but honestly I personally don't like how it looks, so I'm not gonna recommend it. I'm using the straight stitch. And stitch both sides of the elastic. And repeat it with all 4 straps. And don't forget to secure also the second edge of your strap. You can use straight or zigzag stitch. Now take your fold over elastic and finish the waistline. You can use zigzag or 3-step zigzag stitch. And gently stretch the elastic as you saw. Then trim the seam allowance. Then fold the fold over elastic and stitch the waistline again. Then baste your closure in place. and stitch it securely using a straight or zigzag stitch. And we have to do one more thing. Remove the basting stitches. And our Juliette Garter belt is done and ready to wear. Tell me in the comments which bra and panties would complete the set perfectly, and see you in the next one.